Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Aloha breeze sealing fan. I think that's what it is. This fan's going to be on eBay, and I put different globes on it because I don't know where the other one went. The original ones. And then one of the blade arms I replaced because I had to get one off eBay. It is this one. This one's all tarnished. I know it's this one because it's all tarnished, as you can see, and that is because I could not find the other blade bracket because I lost it in the move. And this fan's going to be for sale. But other than that blade bracket, it's in very nice shape. This fan will be for sale and on eBay. And anyways, we will start the light. Here's the light. The link to buy this fan will be in the description. Comes with everything. It comes with, besides the mounting bracket, it comes with globes, pull chains, screws, washers, everything you see. This fan's in very nice shape, but like I said, it's just that one blade bracket that's a little tarnished. Anyways, we'll go to medium. It's a little buzzy. Anyways, we will go to high. Wobbles a little bit because the replacement blade bracket I put on doesn't have the same blade degree pitch as all the others. So it's a little wobbly, but nothing terrible. It's either that or the mounting bracket because it's not the original mounting bracket and it just has just random screws holding the fan up. Here's the light. And we'll do spin down. It's a little dusty right now, but before I sell it, I'll be cleaning it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.